Hello engineers, welcome back to the platform of fire engineering with me Mohammad Al-Hamad. In this new video, I will help you prepare for your upcoming job interviews in the field of fire engineering. The interview is a crucial step in any engineer's career to reach to the desired job and build the professional career of your dreams. And today, I'll provide you with the most important tips for the interview preparation. This topic will be covered in two videos. Today one is dedicated for the fire projects engineers, and the next one will be dedicated to the fire maintenance engineers. So ready to enhance your knowledge in the fire engineering? Let's get started. So today's video is for the site and the project engineers in the field of fire engineering. I will share with you the most important tips to focus on in the interview and how to prepare for it before reaching this important day in your career. You may ask yourself some questions. Do interviews for fire project engineer focus only on the technical aspect, or are there other qualities companies look for when hiring? How can you prepare well for the interview? Are there specific systems you should focus on more than others? What project management skills are expected to be asked about? How can you reflect your technical level and daily performance in projects and demonstrate your strength in the interview? In today's video, I'll provide answers to all the questions you may have before the interview. The video is divided into three parts. 1. Preparing for the interview, focusing on your past experience and personal resume. 2. The expected technical questions and essential technical aspects for fire project engineers. 3. Project management skills and key aspects that highlight your capabilities as a qualified project engineer. Be sure to watch the video till the end to benefit from the information you desire. At the start of any interview, stay calm, as interview is part of the challenges of your career but can be managed with calmness. Show confidence and composure, as this role demands a steady personality due to the circumstances and difficult challenges during the project life cycle. Of course, as with any interview, the general appearance and outfit can make a strong impression. Personally, I don't prefer you to come wearing a suit, but adhere to wear a formal dress. Make sure to review your CV, especially your previous experience and projects you have executed before. Focus on the most important projects you have executed in terms of size and diversity of system you have supervised. Important point. Mentally prepare the most important challenges you faced in the projects and how you solved them. This point will reflect your abilities to deal with the problem that you may face in the projects. You will be given the opportunity to talk about your previous experience, so make sure to show the development and experience you gained in previous periods and how you progressed in the size of project and fire system at each stage. If you use some software yourself, such as AutoCAD or Primavera, try to highlight it when you get the opportunity. Now we reach to the second part, where you will face many practical and technical questions that evaluate your technical abilities, especially in your field regarding the installation of fire systems. Make sure that you are familiar with the local and international fire codes, as you may be asked about, mainly including in UE Fire Life Safety Code of Practice 2018, Chapter 4 related to fire extinguishers, Chapter 5 and 6 related to emergency and exit light, Chapter 8 related to fire alarm, and Chapter 9 related to fire protection systems. And in NFPA standards, NFPA 10, 13, 14, 20, 72, and 2001. If I were to interview a project engineer, I would focus on the installation of sprinklers and piping network, starting with the color code of the sprinklers. Like red color is for 68 degree, and in the unconditioned area to have 79 degree. Yellow color with a standard response type. You need to know the classification of hazard, as usually in the start of an installation. In any area you need that information. Keep in mind that the distance between sprinklers depend on this information to achieve the maximum allowable coverage area. Now I will start listing some questions quickly with answers to save time and cover more questions. Well, engineers, we have now reached the third part related to project management and how the engineer deals with the material management, team management, scope management, as well as internal and external communication. To start, you may be asked how you manage your day on the project, especially with your team and daily tasks. Make sure your answer reflects your leadership and management level. For example, you can perfectly prepare your weekly work schedule and communicate it with the supervisor. ensuring that the plan for the next day is clear and distributed to the team. Also, having communication groups with the team like WhatsApp is important, as the team can send pictures and daily updates on them. During your day on the project, you must start by visiting the site and ensuring the distribution of tasks and the availability of materials with the team. Additionally, preparing for logistical matters and submitting inspection requests to the consultant and approving material is essential. You should also allocate time to meet with the contractor to resolve the coordination and technical matters. During the day, you should visit the site frequently to ensure that the work is being carried out correctly according to the design drawings and civil defense requirements. Another important point you may be asked about is how you manage materials on the project. The project engineer plays an important role in managing materials on the project by ensuring the ordering of necessary materials within the project scope and to ensure the availability of materials, ensuring the project continues without delays or obstacles. Also, you should oversee the tracking of incoming and outgoing materials from the site store, maintaining a daily updated materials tracker. Another point to pay attention is if you are asked about financial matters. As an engineer, by approving all site works by the consultant, you ensure that the invoicing process smoothly when submitting payments. It would be very ideal to mention that you have weekly and monthly reports that you submit to the project manager or the contractor, reflecting the completed approved works that can be part of the monthly invoicing. Finally, regarding the most important procedures at the beginning and the end of each project, keep in mind following submission and tasks. At the beginning of the project, shop drawing submission and approval, method of statement, installation mockup works, material samples, project plan, and at the end of the project and its handover, as-built drawing, testing and commissioning reports, operation and maintenance manuals, warranty certificates, supply and installation certificates. We have reached the end of this video. Engineers, if you are finding this content helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe the platform channel on YouTube for future updates. As well, I will keep the link in the description for the Instagram page, Telegram group, and to connect with me on LinkedIn. Keep learning, stay safe. Until next time, keep tuned for the next video by the platform of Fire Engineering with me, Mohammad Al-Hamad.